welcome Dan Brdar, the CEO of Ideal Power. Great to have you with us again. How are you?
Thanks, Michael. Thanks for having me back.
Absolutely, it's our pleasure. For those in our audience who may have missed the first interview we did with you, can you give us a quick overview of what Ideal Power is?
Sure. Ideal Power is a company that's come up with a really unique semiconductor device that can make a lot of applications that we use every day and applications that are coming to the marketplace much more efficient.
Understood. Now, you just recently announced that you've initially delivered a bidirectional bipolar junction transistor, also known as BTRAN, to Diversified Technologies, also referred to as DTI. What's the significance of this initial delivery of BTRAN devices to the DTI partner?
Well, BTRAN is the technology that we've been working on for several years now, and this represents our first shipment of the product. It's part of a Navy demonstration project that we're doing that actually will show that our semiconductor device has much lower losses than conventional technology. It's inherently bidirectional and enables a whole variety of applications that you just can't do very efficiently with conventional semiconductors.
Got it. And can you also talk about how BTRAN enables solid-state circuit breakers as a potential replacement of mechanical breakers as they stand now?
Yeah, solid-state circuit breakers have a lot of advantages. They act orders of magnitudes faster than the conventional circuit breakers that we use, in the utility industry and even what's in your home. And by acting a lot faster, they actually are able to avoid things like electrical arcs and other things that can cause fires. And they also don't have any wear because they are solid-state devices. They don't have mechanical contacts that wear over time. So solid-state circuit breakers have been something that the utility industry in particular and the Navy and other applications have wanted for a long time, but there just hasn't been a good semiconductor device that will actually enable them to work efficiently.
Got it. Now, other than ship order military applications, what other application could potentially utilize the BTRAN-enabled solid-state circuit breaker?
Well, the utility industry, our electric utilities that are out there today, as we see more and more distributed energy put into the system with people putting in solar at their homes and businesses, with diversified sources like wind, we need more control of that energy flowing to and from the electric grid. And you want to do that as quickly and efficiently as possible. So the utility industry would be a great source for adopting the solid-state circuit breaker technology that would have our technology, BTRAN, in it that actually allows the solid-state circuit breakers to work really efficiently.
Understood. Now, are there any other applications that could benefit from BTRAN other than just the ones that are solid state?
Oh, yeah. It's a technology that has a lot of wide applicability. So, we're working with automobile makers who are bringing out electric vehicles because our technology can be used in the drivetrain for electric vehicles to enable them to get longer range out of the batteries that are on them. It can be used in electric vehicle charging. It can be used in solar and wind power and energy storage. So it has a really wide variety of applications that actually enables all of them to provide more useful energy at the end of the day to the consumers of those products.
Got it. Now, are there any other opportunities for government-funded programs for BTRAN with the recently passed CHIPS Act and what the Senate is doing with their past Inflation Reduction Act as well?
Yeah, I think the CHIPS Act in particular is going to have some opportunities because it's not just about an investment in semiconductor manufacturing, but there's also a technology component. So I think there's going to be opportunities for us to collaborate with others in terms of how do we take our BTRAN technology, put it in certain applications and demonstrate it? How do we continue its evolution and improvement of the technology? So we see a lot of opportunities out there already that we are submitting for proposals for in collaboration with partners. But the CHIPS Act and the Inflation Reduction Act are going to have even more opportunities to bring advanced technologies like ours to commercialization and demonstration through the government assistance.
Amazing. Dan Brdar, CEO of Ideal Power. It was great having you on the first time and even better information the second time. Very exciting stuff going on over there. Thank you so much for joining us to share.
Thank you, Michael. It was appreciated to bring everybody up to date.